Welcome to Audrey's Southern Cooking. My name is Nita. How are you today? Today we're going to do a little something out of the norm for our videos. I'm still Southern cooking, so we're still staying in that same little area, but we're going to go a little bit further south. We're going to go to New Orleans or Louisiana cooking. This is one of my, I say it a lot, my favorite recipes. This is a really good recipe, seriously. This is a very good recipe. It makes a lot of food. And if you've never had any style of Louisiana food, I'm gonna make a mild version of it, but you can make it as hot as you want. Hot. So, let's get started. Let's see what we gotta have. All right, before I forget, before we move the camera so you can see the other ingredients, we need rice, and I am cooking some balsamic rice. Balsamic? I'm not sure if I even said that correctly, but it's cooking right here. So you're not gonna see it in the ingredients, but we do need rice. So let's move the camera down and let's see the rest. All right, I told you it's gonna take a lot. So what we're gonna need, and I haven't even taken my stickers off my peppers yet. I've got to wash them, I haven't washed them yet. All right, so what we're gonna need is, the recipe calls for 2 pounds of andouille sausage. So I got 2 different brands. These are the same, but they're like a 12-ounce package, so that's a little over a pound, and I got a 16-ounce package. I believe this is what this is. So it comes out to be right about 2 pounds. It also calls for shrimp. My boyfriend is allergic to shrimp and shellfish, so I don't put that in there, but you are welcome to put shrimp, crawfish, maybe even if you have access to some lobster, if you want to chop up some lobster in there. It calls for about a half a pound of shrimp. So, but as you know, that'll go at the very end because you don't want to overcook that, because it only takes a couple minutes to cook lobsters or shrimp. Pieces, you just want pieces in there. It calls for 2 bunches of onion, but we're gonna slice these. Actually, I think it called for 3, but I got 2, so we're gonna go with 2. I didn't write down the right number. 2 bell peppers, some garlic. So I'm gonna have it, as I'm chopping it, I'll put it under there, how many cloves and how much cups or whatever we need. Onion, and it says yellow onion, so you don't want a purple onion because that's gonna change the taste a little bit. Parsley, that's gonna go in at the very end as well, so we don't need that. And they call this evoo, if you know, extra virgin olive oil. Evoo, E-V-O-O. So if you see that in a recipe, then you'll know it's extra virgin olive oil. And that's just gonna go in when we chop up our vegetables and put it in the pot. And I do have quite a large stock pot over here. You're gonna need about 4 cups of chicken broth. As you know, we try to get organic when we can. And 2 pounds of chicken. So what I did was I cooked my chicken most of the way. I didn't want it to get too done because we're gonna put it all in and it's gonna cook for a while. So, all right, let me get a chopping board and we'll get started chopping. This is gonna take 3/4 cup. So I have 1 1/4 cup. So I've got everything chopped. That took probably about an hour, hour and a half to get everything chopped up. And by the way, I wanted to let you know, I don't think I said this at the first of the video, this is not my recipe. This is Justin Wilson's from one of his cookbooks that I adore. This recipe is so good. But I will put the link to his video and his recipe in the bottom in the description, so you can go by that. If you don't know who Justin Wilson is, then please go look him up on YouTube and watch a video. I'm showing my age, Lord. But he was one of, I won't say one of the first cooks because he wasn't one of the first, but he was way before there was a cooking channel. So my kids were small and my baby is 35. So it's been a while. He's passed away quite a while ago, and I hate that. But he is a true Cajun cooking, but he is one of the true cooks to me for Cajun food. So we use his gumbo recipe. We kind of twist it and make it our own. The jambalaya is, I usually stay pretty true to his recipe because it's so good, except for shrimp. I used to do that, but I don't anymore because of him. So let's get over to the stove. I've already got the oil in the pot and the garlic. So now we're gonna start cooking all this. I can't wait. Let's get started. All right, can you see? Extra virgin olive oil and in my garlic. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on and you're gonna do it about a medium heat. Because what you want to do is you want to get this garlic becoming aromatic. So you want it to start really smelling good. You want it to get this pot smelling good. All right, welcome back. So as you can see, it's a going in there and it smells delicious. We're gonna put all these chopped vegetables that we chopped up. Onions and bell pepper and our green onion. We're gonna put these in first. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Gotta turn it down to about a medium. All right, welcome back to the video. There it is, it's finished. Look at that. Got all those vegetables. Oh, if you could only, can you smell it? Oy. All right, let's turn up the camera so you can see the tasting. Hi. A big pot over here. That's a big pot and it's a little over half full. All right. Oh, look at that. And it's really, really hot. That's good. There's a little bit of chicken and sausage. That is delicious. All right, so don't forget, the whole recipe is going to be in the bottom, as well as a link to the Justin Wilson, the video and the recipe. This is really good. And I just barely, I put some paprika in it as you saw, but it calls for cayenne. I put cayenne in it. But the paprika made it a little warm with that sausage, but it's so good. Look at that. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to subscribe, don't forget to do that and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also like the videos so that it will get out there and more people will see it, and let me know if you liked it. Also, don't forget to share with your friends. I'm still trying to get my subscriptions or subscribers up, so please help me with that. I really appreciate it. And I'll have a few other links down there if you want to check those out. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.